that's a much higher probability of making money. If you start thinking that you're going to catch the bottom of the market and ride it to the top, that is a guaranteed recipe for losing money. Now, if you say, hey, I'm going to catch a level because it scores high on my 7-level odds enhancers, and I've got 3 stacking the odds studies, and I'm with trend, and I'm going to go that way with it, that's a much higher probability of making money. Then you got to look at things like, where should my targets be? When do I move my stops? So you asked the question, how much can somebody make? I know several traders that make 6 figures a month trading. I've made 6 figures a month trading several times. I know people that make $2,000 a month trading 1 hour a day, 30 minutes a day, but it adds to their income and they enjoy doing it. It's something that they can do before they go to work. It depends on how quickly you can build up your account, how much risk you're willing to take, and honestly, if you follow rules. So if you follow rules, if you follow the Bentley method and you looking at the 7-level odds enhancers and the 5 stacking the odds studies, and you use those, the likelihood of you making money on a daily, a weekly, and a monthly basis is much higher than if you shoot from the hip. That's what I can say. I also say this, Dave, we are not in the business of predicting the future. We're in the business of making money. Every time I take a trade, I have no idea where the market's going to go. All I can do is stack everything in my favor and place all the odds that I can in my favor and move on. And honestly, sometimes there are days where there's not a trade to be had. Sometimes there are weeks that go by without a really good trade that I like. And that's the unfortunate reality of trading, is most traders overtrade, which results in losses, which results in a vicious cycle of always trying to get back to break even and making mistakes.